Hello students, today let us try to understand the concept of least common multiple in mathematics. So before we proceed and understand the least common multiple, let us understand what is the meaning of a multiple. A multiple is the number which is obtained when you multiply a number with another. For example, if you multiply 2 and 3, you get the product of 6. So 6 is a multiple of 2 as well as 3. So in our school life or in our classes, we have learned the multiplication table where we go on reciting as 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 2 is 2 times 3 is 6, and so on up to 2 times 10 is 20. So all this 2, 4, 6 and 20 are so on are the multiples of 2. Similarly, if you have to list the multiples of 3, go on writing 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, and so on up to 3 times 10 is 30. So these are the multiples. So now coming to what is a common multiple? A common, what do you mean by common? A common is something which is present in both the numbers, isn't it? So let us try to find a common multiple of 2 and 3. Let us go on listing the multiples of 2 first. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Multiples of 3 now, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. So, the numbers which are common in 2 and 3, let us list this. Let us try to find that first. 6, then you have 12, then you have 18. Let us list them. Common multiples are 6, 12 and 18. So, which is the least number in this? That is 6. Now, 6 is the least common multiple, or LCM is 6. Similarly, I will take one more example, which is 3 and 4. List the multiples of 3 now. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. List the multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. So now list down the common multiples. Common multiples are 12. Yes, 12 is there. Then do you have 24? Yes, 24 is there. We don't have 28, 32, 36, 40. They are not common. So common multiples are 12 and 24. So now what is the least common multiple or LCM? Which is 12. So for 3 and 4, the least common multiple is 12. So to demonstrate this least common multiple, I have a small equipment with me. So let me show you that. Ready? Okay, this is a small equipment or a tool which I am using to demonstrate least common multiple. Here I have written down all the numbers starting from 1 to the end of my sheet, taking a particular distance, keeping a particular distance in mind, and then I have listed all the numbers and I have used my paper clips to just pin over, and I have pinned on it. So now let us try to find out the least common multiple for 2 and 3. So let us recite. Before, I have taken two threads here. One is pink and the other one is violet, only to differentiate the numbers that I am moving around. So let me tie a knot around 2 now. So let us recite two tables. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. Let me tie a knot over here. Right? Now, let us start reciting our three tables. The same procedure I'll follow. I'll take a knot and tie it around 3. Okay? 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. And so on. I'll tie a knot around 12 here. For some numbers, as in 6 and 12, we have both the threads going around them. That is 6 and 12. These threads are going around them because they are the common multiples between 2 and 3. So, among 6 and 12, which is the least number? Of course, it is 6. So, 6 is the least common multiple of 2 and 3. The similar method you can use to find out the common multiple of any two numbers, and this is how we can demonstrate the least common multiple. So this for making the teaching equipment that I showed you, I have used the materials for, I have used material thermocol, cardboard, paper pins and scale and pen for markings. Thank you very much for watching.